I am E. Raja Reddy, designation Senior Lecturer, Branch Mechanical Engineering, Institute, Government Polytechnic, Hyderabad, Masabtan, year first year, subject Workshop Technology, code number M105, major topic drilling, duration 40 minutes, subject topic types of drills. Recap. In the last class, we have discussed the following. Angle plates has two faces with slots and holes. V-blocks used to hold the round jobs with U-clamps, clamps and T-bolts used to hold the work to table. Drill jigs is used to locate and hold the work properly. Objectives. On completion of this period, you would be able to know drill, types of drills, flat drill, drill. It is a fluted cutting tool used to make holes in a solid metal or material. What's meant by a drill? Drill bit is a metallic device, tool, which is used to make holes in the metals and plastics, wood, and etc. Types of drills. Types of drills. In this one, flat or space drill, flat or spade drill. 2. Straight fluted drill. 3. Twist drill. In twist drills, again classified into A. Parallel shank twist drill. B. Taper shank twist drill. 4. Core drill. 5. Oil tube drill. 6. Center drill. Flat drill. Flat drill is the figure number 1 shows the flat drill. How it will appear, you see. A flat drill. It is a pointed to one end and a flat, and the end is tapered one. Flat drill. Flat drill is a flat bar-like device, and at its end just curved and sharpened point towards the point to adjust. Flat drill schematic diagram. Flat drill used to produce holes in softer materials like wood and plastics. Made of high carbon steel. It is first forged, then hardened and tempered. It has two cutting edges. Cutting angle ranges from 90 degrees to 120 degrees between the edges. Relief angle at the cutting edges is 3 degrees to 8 degrees. It is cheaper. So here, flat drill. Flat drill schematic diagram is represented like this. It is having a, you see, a pointed two cutting lips are there, and this flat drill is comparatively cheaper, and it is especially used for to drill the softer materials like wood and plastics, and mainly wood and plastics, such softer metals. And some of the softer metals. And it is made up of high carbon steel. It is first forged, then hardened and tempered. Heat treatment given. Hardened and tempered. It has two cutting edges, and the probable angle may be cutting edge lip angle may be 90 degrees to 120 degrees. The relief angles are 3 degrees to 8 degrees. Comparatively, it is cheaper. Disadvantages of flat drill. Its diameter is reduced due to sharpening of the cutting edges. It may not produce true straight hole, as the point has a tendency to run out of the center. It is not suitable for deep holes, as the chip do not come out automatically from the hole. Summary regarding with this chapter's period. In this class, we have learned drill is fluted tool. A drill is a fluted tool for producing holes on solid materials. Flat, straight fluted, twist drill, core drill, and oil tube drill are the some of the types of drills. Flat drill is used to produce the holes on softer materials. Quiz. Bit 1. A flat drill is used to make holes in A. Hard material, B. Soft material, C. Brittle material, D. All of the above. A flat drill is used to make the holes in softer material. Yes, bit B is the correct answer. Bit 2. Flat drill is not suitable for A. Deep holes, B. Softer materials, C. Thin plates, D. None of the above. Which one? Thin plates are, deep holes are, softer materials are. Yes, it's not suitable for deep holes. Expected questions regarding this chapter. Question number 1. What are the types of drills? Question number 2. Sketch the flat drill and explain about it.